and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I am bringing you a quarantine review. We have been quarantined for the past 3 weeks in the UK, and yes, I decided to do my final and last review on this Raw Laotian hair extensions from our company, the Raw Laotian Hair Boutique. So this is the name of the company at the bottom. This is what you get in your package. I obviously made my wig. So yeah, this is the final review, and it's been almost a year since I reviewed this hair, and I made a 7x7 inch lace closure wig with this. So my closure is a big closure and it's starting from this side to that side. I'm not a baby hair person, so I don't like to gel my baby hair. Let's leave it for the teenagers. So this is how beautiful our Laotian curly hair is, and the longest I have in is 24 inches, if you viewers do remember. So today I decided, since we have quarantine and there is so much I can do on my YouTube channel, especially now that I have a lot of time on my hands and I'm not working like I used to, because oh boy, you know, we in this quarantine. So the Raw Laotian Hair Boutique obviously is a UK based raw hair company that basically sells lace, full lace wigs, lace frontal wigs, lace closure wigs, 360 frontal wigs. We have two types of lace systems that we sell, and we have the transparent and the Swiss lace. A lot of viewers want to know, what type of lace do you sell, what type of this do you do? We have transparent and Swiss lace. We initially had the HD lace, but viewers, the HD lace is extremely expensive. The lace is extremely thin, and the slightest thing people do, it will leave a hole. So most viewers buy it and they have a hole. It's nice to have, but it's not as long lasting as transparent is another alternative, which the lace is not as thin as the HD lace, but it's still thin. So what I have on is my my transparent lace, of course, but I did bleach the knots and tint this knot to achieve this scalp look-alike. On my head, I have videos on it. I will leave how I maintain and detangle my curly hair extensions, my everyday routine, the video down there, and also leave the video of when I basically made the wig. See how flat this wig is? If you like your wigs to be made, just visit our website www.rawlaotianhairboutique.com. and this hair, I'm going to give my honest truth, viewers. The curly hair does shed slightly. Curly hair does shed slightly, but the shedding is not anything drastic. The reason being, it is interlocked with each other. It is curls that is interlocked with each other. So when you have curly hair and you don't want the curly hair to shed, make sure you wet your hair and use a Denim brush to brush through your curls to define your curls. If your hair is dry and you comb through your curly hair, you will get excessive shedding, and it will happen to any type of hair out there. There is no magic hair that when you have curly hair and it's dry and you comb through, you're not going to receive shedding. So that is a tip for you viewers. Do you see how beautiful these curls are popping? It's a year now and this hair still looks brand new. I repeat, it's a year now and the Raw Laotian hair still looks brand new, and I decided to do this final review because I still get questions on my Laotian hair. This hair can be bleached and dyed into any color of your choice. I have so many videos on my YouTube channel about this Laotian hair. This is very good quality hair. This is 1 year, and if you are an OG on my channel, you already know that this curly hair is 1 year, because you know when I made the video when I showed you the bundles before I started sewing my wig. 1 year and I'm reviewing it. It's still beautiful. When you purchase with us, when you purchase from our company, you get what you pay for. We have Easter sales going on at this minute, which is 30% off for Easter, which is love 30. I always give you a coupon code, my name Ativo20, but I do not want you guys to miss this Easter sales, which is love 30. I will leave all the information in the description box, and what I have on is our Laotian curly hair texture, and this curly hair texture is not tight curls. It's not like kinky curls, it's just a very nice loose soft curls, and I really love this Laotian curly texture. I am so much in love with it. Like, I don't know how to explain to you. I am not a curly hair person, but ever since I tried the Laotian texture, I have fallen in love with Lao hair. So I will be doing more Lao hair reviews, like wavy Lao hair, straight Lao hair, because I know I have been doing a lot of curly hair reviews with this Lao, and I think I only did one wavy Lao hair, which was like 2-3 years ago. But I have a surprise video coming on, and you viewers will see it pretty soon, about Lao wavy hair. So this hair, as you see, is still full, and this is like 60% dry at the moment. It's not 100% dry, it's 60% dried, and it is nice and full. But obviously once it gets dry 100%, it gets a bit fuller because it is curly hair. So viewers, I hope you viewers did enjoy this final review, and also do not forget to check www.therawvirginhairboutique.com for curly hair textures, because we offer a range of curly hair textures like Vietnamese curly, Cambodian curly, Indian curly, and last but not the least, our Lao curly hair textures. So see you viewers in my next video, and do not forget to stay safe and be happy.